In this lab, we are going to look at vulnerability management and try to establish some type of vulnerability management program. We are going to use the virtual machine here called Linux, or either you can use your purpose that you selected your own operating system, Ubuntu or Windows or whatever. And here we will open a terminal and we will look at different scripts of the Nmap. We will use the scripts try to list what we have it. We are there, where we want to be. On the background, we got the industrial IoT system, physical one, that is running an environment within it, which will be used as the target for this lab. And we will write the script command and try to discover information as much as we can. For this target. We will wait for the Nmap results. Let's see, it will take some time. And remember, all those identified results helps us to collect and fill the target database that it will be used by us to analyze and to see what are the potential hacks, potential points, weaknesses that we have identified within our organizations of industrial infrastructure. And this almost done. By hitting the space key, you will see the progress of the actual scanning. And for the next step, we will want to run a script and change to the authentication script to the auth, and we will try to see the different results. And here we have the results, and here we have got us a lot of information on our actual target. You will see the port, the state of that port, the service that is running it. You will see the versions of the banner grabbing and all those types of information that our protocol use and everything type of information that we are needed for the target database to be filled out with such information. And let's try to run different scripts, changing to the auth script. We have a typo. Let's see and wait for the results that we will do, the Nmap will show for us. And as the next step, we can use the brute force SSH if you would like, and we can use the script intrusive target search. And we see here we have identified the information that is related to the auth, and there are not much. We also identify the ports that are opened within the MySQL and the VNC. Let's try a different script, intrusive. and see. We use here a map tool and try to find weaknesses, vulnerabilities. And remember this, you cannot do in the industrial IT network, in the production, in the live system, because you will crash something. And if you crash something, you will damage product line operation in industrial IoT. And you would run this in the test environment. For the next step, we will use a script vol to scanning for the vulnerabilities. And with this, we try to find more vulnerabilities. And if you are at the defensive side, you try to mitigate or reduce those risks that we are identified as potential vulnerabilities or weaknesses. And the most important thing is the process, as we said and showed here. And all those information you can use for your target database. So that's the process when you do a vulnerability management. And so you may map the attack surface, and we find live systems, and we found the ports that are open, and the ports represents the attack surface. And then we enumerate that attack surface and try to gain access. So have information that getting up towards gaining access. And those are the activities and steps that we taken care in all our demos to the now. And this scripts, this scan, it will take some time for us to provide information on that scan that we asked as the intrusive target search. And we just have information that we run a script on the intrusive mode. And here are the information that are shown for our target. It identifies different information on SSH, also on the AT, TCP, HTTP port, and try to relate some vulnerabilities and potential weaknesses with those services, with those ports open and the services runs onto it. And we accomplish what we wanted, and with this we conclude the lab.